cut on the side of it, just like this, slightly off center. And then I'm going to slice into this in very thin slices, about 1 millimeter thick, all the way across, and you want to keep it all together. So the technique is you just drag the point of the blade all the way through, just like this. Don't go up and down, because if you go up and down, the slices will stick to the blade and it will be very difficult. This is the best way to do it. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little piece off the end, just like this. You don't need that one. I'm just getting a little toothpick. And then I'm going to take a little bit off the top, which I also don't need. And then I'm going to just take my toothpick, and you see where the halfway line is on top here? I'm just going to go slightly to one side and poke it all the way through. Great. You want to make sure that the toothpick comes out on either end. And I'm just going to take 1 or 2 slices off here just to make sure that there's enough toothpick to put into a base. Now, talking about bases, I'm just going to take the apple and slice off a chunk about 1.5 centimeters, that's 3/5 of an inch thick, and just slice into it just like this to create the base. I just need a cube of apple that I can stick the toothpick in so it stays up straight. Okay, so I'm just going to prod it in so it stands up just like this. And now with my thumb on top and my fingers below, I'm just going to fan out the apple slices just like this. It's a very simple movement. You just move them apart and then just keep going around. And you've just got this stunning apple swirl going all the way around up, which is amazing. But there's still a toothpick coming out the top. So I'm just going to take the apple again and slice off 2 little slivers that I can use to finish off the swirl. So just hand carve these as you see fit. Here we go, just like that. And then I'm just going to place these on. Now it's important to have the same direction as the rest of the swirl, and then just place it at a little bit of an angle going up a little bit so that it finishes off faster. So that these 2 slices just finish in one go. And there you can see the swirl goes all